Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm the live streamer, Caitlin. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and our product include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, repair kit, a CV valve, the sensors, etc. And today we're going to share with you of one type of our control valve. This one. Let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages is this kind of blue VCI anti-rust bags, and also here this label information is our product SKU, and also include our product code F00ZC01319. And for this kind of logo label packages, etc., we support customized service. So any of the demands, please feel free to contact us. Then I will open it to show you the inside. Wow, take a look. And actually for this one, the inside we use this kind of hard transparent bottles to package it. It can be better avoid some damages during the transportation, so you don't need to worry about anything will hurt the inside product, so no worries. And I will open it in this way. You can see in the inside it's with the oil paper to wrap it up. Wow, take a look. That's the whole side, right? Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, we're also selling the separate ones, such as the valve cap or the valve rod. And this is the valve cap, the details. And for our product, we have the quality guaranteed, such as we supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you're not satisfied with the quality, it's okay. We receive the package, you can return it, or we can exchange it for you. And here, Caitlin, about this control valve, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, clean it with oil, don't clean it with the water. And the second tip is when you install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's the third tips. Okay, so much for the introductions, and if you still have other questions, please make comments below these videos and I'll see that I will reply you. And also you can follow us at a YouTube or the Facebook account so that next time you can easily find us and watch our videos. And we have the WhatsApp, the phone numbers, the email address, and also we have our own website. You can search on it. So much for today. I'm waiting for your news. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.